Hey there, action camera enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an action-packed video for you as we dive into the world of action cameras from GoPro and DJI. We'll be reviewing the GoPro Max, GoPro Hero 12, GoPro Hero 11, GoPro Hero 10, DJI Osmo Action 3, DJI Osmo Action 4, and DJI Action 2. So, let's jump right in. GoPro Max. First up, we have the GoPro Max. The camera that's 3 cameras in one with Max. You can capture traditional hero-style video and photos, or you can switch to capture immersive 360-degree footage. It even allows you to vlog with shotgun mic performance, and a front-facing screen for easy framing and recording. GoPro HER012. Moving on to the GoPro HER012 Black. This rugged and waterproof camera can dive down to 33 feet and comes equipped with Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, making it perfect for capturing ultra-smooth video in extreme conditions. Plus, it's compatible with the Max Lens Mod 2.0 for an expanded field of view, enhancing your GoPro HER012 Black experience. GoPro Hero 11. Next, we have the GoPro HER011 Black, featuring a revolutionary new image sensor that offers the most expansive field of view ever on a Hero camera out of the box. It allows you to zoom in, crop your shots, change digital lenses, adjust aspect ratios, and more while keeping the rich textures and sharpness of your footage. It even boasts a maximum video bitrate of 120 megabits per second, ensuring stunning image quality. GoPro Hero 10. Now, let's talk about the GoPro HER010 Black. This camera is powered by the GP2 engine, providing snappy performance, responsive touch controls, and double the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization ensures rock-solid video, even in challenging conditions, with features like Live View Front Display, 108p Live Streaming, and enhanced low-light performance. It's a versatile choice for action enthusiasts. DJI Osmo Action 3. Switching gears to DJI, we have the DJI Osmo Action 3. This camera offers 4K HDR video with 10-bit color depth, ensuring vivid yet natural details. Even in high-contrast scenarios, its horizon steady feature keeps things smooth and ultra-level, making it ideal for capturing epic footage of your wildest rides. With a max battery life of 160 minutes and the ability to record in temperatures as low as -20°C. It's built to endure any adventure. DJI Osmo Action 4. Now, let's explore the DJI Osmo Action 4. This camera is known for its impeccable image quality, day or night, thanks to its large 1.3-inch sensor. It offers 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, capturing dazzling effects in golden sunrises and vibrant sunsets, with a recording time of up to 150 minutes, even in extreme cold. It's a reliable choice for capturing thrilling moments in the harshest conditions. Plus, it offers impressive 4K, 120 FPS, and 155 ultra-wide FOV for immersive shots. DJI Action 2. Lastly, we have the DJI Action 2. Its innovative magnetic design allows you to effortlessly switch out accessories, making it incredibly versatile despite its ultra-compact size. It records stunningly smooth 4K, 120 FPS video with richer details than ever before. The DJI Mimo app uses AI editor to automatically select and combine your epic moments with flawless transitions and upbeat music, making your content share-worthy. Conclusion, and there you have it. A roundup of some of the best action cameras on the market. Whether you're a GoPro fan or prefer DJI's offerings, there's something for every adventurer and content creator. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay adventurous.